Quick flips? They look exciting, but most people end up losing money. Real wealth? It's built slowly, one step at a time. Welcome to Stickman's wealth building class. Let's get started. Let's start with the truth. Chasing quick profits feels thrilling. Markets move fast, prices jump up, and then crash. Most people who chase the next big thing end up stressed, broke, and starting over again. That's not a strategy. That's gambling. Long-term investing is different. You don't need to predict tomorrow. You focus on years, even decades. By investing a little consistently, your money compounds. Compounding is the magic where money earns money, and those earnings themselves start earning more. Over time, small contributions grow into a money tree that keeps giving. So how do you do it? You build a portfolio. A portfolio is just a collection of your investments. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you spread them out. Stocks give growth. Bonds add stability. Real estate can provide income. And index funds give you easy diversification across hundreds of companies. Together, they create balance. Now here are 3 keys to long-term wealth. Consistency. Invest regularly. Even $100 a month adds up when you do it every month. Patience. Don't panic when markets dip. Remember, wealth grows over decades, not days. Diversification. Don't bet everything on one stock or one coin. Spread out your investments so risk is shared. So, you have a choice. You can chase quick flips, hoping for luck, or you can build real wealth, slowly, steadily, and with confidence. The smart path isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Start small, stay consistent, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. So, which investor will you be?